Welcome to my blog, and this is my FX and day trading. What I'm trying to do right now is, from yesterday's video, when I was getting the funds from my MetaTrader into my back into my Hugos dashboard account, because you have to go from, you have internal transfers, which is this one here. You're going from your wallet. Let's see if I can show here. Yeah, going from your wallet to your MetaTrader so you can trade. Now, yesterday I was getting it from my MetaTrader back to my wallet. Now I'm at the point where I've got to figure out how to get it from my wallet to me. So that's where I'm at right now. And see, this is what I still have in my MetaTrader right here, 47 and 19. I'm kind of gonna go ahead and leave that there. I don't know if I've still got this even. I've still got it in auto trader, so I'm just letting it go until it probably runs out, because I ain't making any money on it. So back to withdraw, and I tried it yesterday and I dead end. I didn't know where the heck to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and that's that. My withdraw, and let's see my wallet. My wallet has 441 in it, so I want to. I'm gonna select my wallet. This is amount, and then I gotta go withdraw.
With Bitcoin, because you've been trading with Bitcoin at this point, it comes in as Bitcoin. Now, going to go to Coinbase to transfer it from Hugos into that wallet to be transferred to your bank account.
I don't know where the heck that is.
I lost the video of the transfer of $400 into Coinbase. So what you're going to see is a $10 transfer from HugosWay into Coinbase. let's do a recap of this transfer action. Withdraw funds. Go here, wallet, amount. You gotta do it Bitcoin, and then amount dispatched. $10. I'll leave the $1 in there. Request a withdrawal. Okay, now it's going to ask for NBC, which funds to, and then it's going to be $10. And then we're going to go like here. Get your code, copy. Only send Bitcoin to this address. Alright, so now we're going to go back to here, put that address in there, and then withdraw $10 to that account. And success. All right, you just withdraw. Came back out. Dashboard. Withdraw. You're withdrawing 10, so it hasn't left yet. So this is where we're at right now. And in a little while, and see if it hasn't moved to. Move here yet. You're going to go assets. So it was $64. It was 64 here. So that should jump to 74 where it's completed. So we'll be back. So here we are. We're still waiting the transfer to this account. And just a review. Here's your wallet. It's going to tell you how much is in it. You have, in this case, you can only transfer a minimum of $10. So you'll hit that. It'll stay there. Then select withdraw type. You got to go Bitcoin because that's what it's going to be. And put the amount in here, and then it's going to. In this case, when I click this, when I put $10 in there, it's going to say you can't do it because you don't have this amount. You got to have a minimum of 10. So when that does that, you're going to have a. It's going to come with another box, and it's going to ask you where do you want it. In my case, I have Coinbase, so I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to take receive, and then I'm going to put the amount of money right here that I want to transfer. It's got to be in Bitcoin. This direction. Well, this is what I want to see. Okay, then once you do that, hit it again, and now you're going to take this code, take it back to here, and you're going to put it in this block, like I said, and then send it. We're not doing that one, so we're done. So in a few minutes, this is going to, once it's received, this is going to jump up $10 in this case. And this back here is going to say approved and completed. That was at 440 that I transferred the other day. Alright, so we're waiting now for this to process. Okay, we're back. Let's see if the $10 is cleared in the Coinbase. It's assets. Let's go to assets and see if I now have more than $64 in Bitcoin. coming from Hugo's, it has to be sent in Bitcoin. Come down, and there it is. It's jumped to 72. Let's go back to Hugo's and see if that says complete. Let's spin it around. It's been spitting about an hour or so. Maybe a little longer than that. We have to log back in, and then you got to go through their verification process. I'm going to send you a code. Which is good security. It's a pain to do. 546. And it should tell me that the process has been completed. Go down to $6.60. Let's see. It's going to be withdraw. We're going to go down, and it's going to say approved and completed. Yes. All right. So with that said, now I can complete this video that I've been waiting on. Coming to find that I didn't have this video coming from Hugo's going to Coinbase. What you're looking at is my Coinbase account where I've sent my funds from HugosWay after being converted to Bitcoin and now being transferred over here into my Coinbase. Now from the Coinbase, I'm going to have it sent to my bank account. And this is where I'm at right now. And I'm doing a continue, but I'm not exactly sure how to get it to my bank account because it's gone from Hugo's and over here as a Bitcoin. Now I need to figure out how to get it transferred from here into my bank account.